Hi, it's Daniel here. I'm going to talk to you today about teaching the topic of time to adult learners. When you're teaching time, there's a temptation to start with the analog clock face and secure that in learners' minds before moving on to digital clocks, or the time as it appears on a smartphone, for example. We need to think first of all about the most common format that learners are going to see the time in. Do they use computers a lot? Do they wear a watch? What sort of watch is it? I would take the advice of the Maths for Life research and mix up the different representations of time so that you're teaching analog and digital representations at the same time. You can find images showing times on the internet and download them so that learners can put them in order. So for example, 12:30 on an analog clock followed by 12:35 on a digital clock. Don't forget to look at the free time apps you can download on your phone or your tablet. One I like is Flip Clock, which is like an old-fashioned clock you'd find in a train station. Remember, there are more representations of time to put into the mix. There are the different ways that we say the time: 11:30, 11:30, 11:30, lunchtime, dinner time, time for bed. And then there's the 12-hour clock with AM and PM, and the 24-hour clock as well. We could mix those up together. What you can do is ask learners to find as many representations of the time as they can from a newspaper or a magazine or a brochure for films at the local cinema maybe, showing events in a single day. Today, or their birthday, or a special event maybe. Get them to put these onto separate sheets using clip art, photos, or by drawing them with pens. Then get them to put them in order on tabletops, the wall, or by hanging sheets of paper from pegs on a washing line. One of the key learning points around time for me is that when we're writing, say, 3:15, the point between the 3 and the 15 is not a decimal point because time isn't decimal. It's worth spending some time with learners on this. You can create an activity that allows people to fall into a trap or two. Remember, mistakes are okay so long as we learn from them. If someone's filling in a timesheet for work or for their studies and they want to put that they worked 1.5 hours, then 1.30 is not correct. And if you're getting paid, that's important. Finally, have a look at the Time and Money Learning and Teaching Guide